Hi everyone, my name is Liang Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. Welcome to our class. So our course today is about opposites, part 2. So please make sure that you have checked the videos of part 1, and we're going to learn more vocabulary this time. So let's start it. So we have learned the 3 words, 反义词, 反义词. Remember, this is the third tone, 反. And then this is big, 大, first tone, 大, 大. Right after me, we have a lot of new vocabularies today. 小, third tone, 小, 小, first falling, then rising, 小. Then 高, 高, 高. 矮, short, 矮, third tone, 矮. 胖, fat, 胖, 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 胖. And then thin, 瘦, 瘦, 瘦. Strong, 强, 强, 强. Second tone, 弱, first tone, weak, 弱, 弱, 弱. And then broad, 宽, 宽, 宽. Narrow, 窄, 窄, 窄. Third tone, 窄. Long, 长, 长, 长. Short, 短, third tone, 短, 短. And then thick, 厚, 厚, 厚. Thin, which have two pronunciations. One is 薄, another is 薄. And the difference is 薄 is thinner than 薄. We have an expression 薄比薄更薄. 比 here means compare with. 更 means more. So 薄比薄 means 薄 compare with 薄. 更薄 means more thin, thinner. 薄比薄更薄. And then straight, 直, second tone, 直, 直. What about I am a straight guy? 我是直男. We just learned male is 男. Straight guy, 直男. Okay. One, bend, one, flat tone, one, one. And then clean, 干净, 干净, 干净. Remember, this is fourth tone, this is one, flat tone. 干 here means dry. 净 means clear. 干净, 干净. Dirty, 脏, 脏, 脏. Like, 喜欢, 喜欢. We have learned this before. 喜 and 欢 both have the meaning of happiness. And dislike, 讨厌, 讨厌, 讨厌. Cheap, 便宜, 便宜, 便宜. Expensive, 贵, fourth tone, 贵, friend. 朋友 朋友 And remember, these two characters both have the meaning of friend. 朋友 enemy 敌人 敌 means enemy, and 人 here means people. 敌人 敌人 Then practice time. 他们的敌人很强。他们 means they. 他 means he. What about 我们 us, we? You just need add 们 after we, after I, you, he, she, it, which means 我你他他 You just need to add 们 after them to express that there are more than 3 persons. So they is 他们 and there is 他们的。敌人 enemy, we just learned it. 敌人很 means very 强 strong. 他们的敌人很强 Read after me. 他们的敌人很强。他们的 their 敌人 enemy 很强 are very strong. 我不喜欢穿脏衣服 I don't like to wear dirty clothes. 我 I 不喜欢 don't like or dislike. You can use 讨厌 or just put 不 We have learned 不是不会 and here we have 不喜欢 because this is third tone. When 不 is before third tone, it should pronounce in fourth tone. So here we have 不喜欢 and we can use 我讨厌穿脏衣服 or 我不喜欢穿脏衣服 both okay. And 穿 means wear, 脏 dirty, 衣服 we just learned it, clothes. 衣服我不喜欢穿脏衣服。我不喜欢穿脏衣服。我讨厌穿脏衣服。我讨厌穿脏衣服。And then this is a wide use expression in China. When you buy something with bad quality and it is cheap, you can say cheap things are not good. 便宜没好货。便宜 cheap. 没 it is a short expression, short form of 没有. We learn it 有 have. 没有 didn't have. So 没有 means there's no good stuff in cheap stuff. So 好 here means good. 货 we have learned it in holiday. Commodity stuff. 好货 means good stuff. 便宜没好货。便宜没好货。And then that book of his teacher is thick. 他老师 There you can add the d or didn't. It's okay because in colloquial usage you can just omit it, the d. 他老师 What about my dad? 我爸爸 You can use 我的爸爸他的老师 or 他老师我爸爸 Both okay in daily usage. 他老师的那本书那 we learn it that 那本书很厚很 means very we just learn it 他老师的那本书很厚他老师的那本书很厚 Then his girlfriend is tall and thin likes to wear long dress他的女朋友女 female friend 朋友女朋友 girlfriend 女朋友又高又瘦 means both something and something. So 又高又瘦 means tall and thin. What about long and broad? 又长又宽。Read after me. 又长又宽。What about short and narrow? 又短又窄。又短又窄。So here, 又高又瘦 tall and thin. 喜欢 likes. 穿 wear. 长裙长 we just learned. Long 裙 dress. 长裙 long dress. 他的女朋友又高又瘦，喜欢穿长裙。他的女朋友又高又瘦，喜欢穿长裙。Okay, close the door when you go out or come in the classroom. 进出，进 come in, 出 go out. 进出 is more colloquial. You can use 进和出, but you don't need to. 进出教室，教室 means classroom. 教 here means teach. 室 means room. 进出教室，请 please. 请关 close door 门。进出教室，请关门。进出教室，请关门。What about please open the door after you get in or go out of the classroom? 进出教室，请开门。开 open. 进出教室，请开门。So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new expressions. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, go through our website, and see you next time.